starting
zone B ವರಾದಂತೆ
Hello everyone, welcome to the session.
Hi, Jayant.
I believe. So you guys are practicing the prompts, how effectively it will work.
Yes.
Okay, thanks. Okay. Till yesterday we have been learned like prompt engineering, how effectively we have been using the leverage of AI with Copilot in Azure portal. So now today we are going to discuss first, we are going to generate the test case generator. But to make the test case generator, we require API keys. Okay. There are outside in the market, we are having two type of API keys. Let me share my screen. Please let me know, is it my screen is visible?
Yes.
No. Okay, yeah.
Okay. Thanks for the confirmation. So now, if you want to leverage the API to create a tools and we have to utilize in our applications, we need a third-party API service which is called API keys. So if consider that we have the probability like ChatGPT 3.1 or ChatGPT 4 or like some other models will be there. So we want to use those capabilities. So how we are going to leverage that? Through API keys. For that, we are having outside market, two of the API keys are giving. One is the company, Open AI, other one is Azure, OpenAI keys. So these two, both are paid versions. No one is free. Okay. Now OpenAI is like very fast. Directly we can integrate our application. Easily integrate our application, and it is having only just one key, which is like API key. This some number will be there, API key will be there, and we is going to integrate and we can leverage the AI technology. So other one is like Azure OpenAI. By default, it is the Microsoft companies owning it. So whatever it has been designed, it is completely as per the policies, PHA standards and security policies, everything we are having that PHA security policies. It is following all the security policies. So where from Microsoft Azure, we are going to store whatever the models we are seeing in the OpenAI, all the models will be displayed here in Azure Foundry. From there, we can directly utilize this Open AI. Here, with the main thing is the security standards. While coming to the companies, mostly 100% will people follow Azure. Where some of the companies like there is no security is not required, they will go for OpenAI. You got the difference? If security, you have to go for Azure OpenAI. If you don't need any security, you are just doing as you wish, and you want to display that data into public, then the scope, it may go into public as well. So at that time, you can go for the OpenAI. These are the two things. For the two versions, we are having, while coming to the paid versions, we are having monthly subscriptions and yearly subscriptions, and as pay as you go. As you go. Here also you are having pay as you go. So the benefit is like by default the OpenAI you have to pay the bill as $5. By default, it won't accept less than that. $5 is minimum you have to pay. After that, it will be chargeable. While coming to Azure OpenAI, it is like pay as you go. Even if you have registered, you have been added your debit card or credit card or UPI transaction, how much you have been utilized. On top of the tokens, how much you have been used, it will be paid, it will be utilized, and it will be billed as per the month. So how much utilization is doing, on top of that, you are going to get the bill. If your usage is very less, you may get less than $1. If your usage is more, while you have been given to your company all the members, your team members, then it will be more than like depends the usage. It may go up 20 or something. For our single purpose, till now I have been using only for my purpose. It is not costing more than $2 to $3. That's it. Per monthly, I'm getting $3. Sometimes I'm getting zero because per month I won't use it. So this is the history of like Azure OpenAI keys, the main thing. Clear till now?
So we have a token limitation, like you
There
said.
is no, there
Yeah.
is no token limitation because we are paid man. We are the
Okay.
paid users. So how much you are
Mhm.
going to use, it's up to you.
Okay.
Uh, so, Jane, for which purpose we have to use this OpenAI or Azure OpenAI
So
or these tokens?
my suggestion is like whatever you go, just go with the Azure OpenAI only because it is the standard. If you have been habituated to go with the standards and security policies, mostly you prefer this one, Azure OpenAI. So in here in the
Like,
OpenAI,
what
we
is the
have
use case,
yeah.
Jane? Like, where we have to use this Azure OpenAI?
Sorry, I didn't get you.
Then where we have to use it? Like, for which
Okay.
purpose actually?
Okay. In the APIs, while we have been designing the application tools, as I mentioned that in future we are going to generate the tools. Outside market, if you want to see test case generator, there are some websites where we have to pay hefty of amounts. Instead of that, for our purpose, we can design the test case generator from our side by creating our own tool. For that, we need to keep API key inside the code. So today I'm going to show it like how we are going to keep it, what are the things, so that you will get an
One
idea.
second, one second. So, Jane, you mean kind of Chrome extension or a
No,
separate
it's not
tool
a
altogether?
tool extension. It's just a local file. You need to run the file, like Python file. You just need to run it. It will work.
Even for that file also, we have to give the user story as the input, right? Then only
Yes,
it will
exactly.
generate
Yeah,
the test.
we have to give it.
We can do the same thing, like how we have shown yesterday. We can give the user story description or acceptance criteria
Mm.
to Copilot or ChatGPT. Then it will generate, right? I mean,
Yeah, there will be a
what is the point?
difference. Yeah, there
Yeah,
will be
yeah,
a
that is
difference.
what I really want to understand. What is the
Yeah, I will
difference
tell
between
you
that and
what is the main difference. Like, mainly, suppose consider that as you are in a company, there you won't be only the one person, right? There'll be a number of purpose. Maybe you are a team lead or a manager. There are like 5 to 10 members, 20 members are using. You are in the team as a QA testers. Now each one has a different perspective, different prompt, different way of thinking. Okay, from there they will generate it. They will get the cases test cases will be generated. So now we are not going to define, you are going to say use this prompt, use this one, run it. It may generate in a different way. So to make it stabilize in one format, we are designing the tool which helps to control the functionality totally. So as I said, we have been designing only like test case generator by uploading the document like description, acceptance criteria. So on top of that, how many you can build? You can choose a model. Okay, on top of you can select the test types and you can select the temperature, how much variance you want. On top of that, how many test cases you want to generate, which model, which type. You can design on top of that, like you have to do the prompting on that and you can develop the code. On UI you can see it easily. So if I
okay,
show something, yeah,
so that it will be consistent across all the team members.
sorry.
So that it will be, kind of consistency we can achieve
Yes, yes,
among all
because
the team
everyone is
members.
following one rule, right? As a lead.
Okay,
So for you
okay,
getting a clear idea, let me show where I have been designed for
okay,
my
sure,
company where 30 members are using this tool. Okay, so they are very happy with that. Let me showcase this.
yeah, yeah, sure,
Mm.
yeah, please go.
So I'm not going to design the same way, just I'm going to help you in such like that one.
Sure, 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 yeah.
Yeah. So this is the one how we are going to run it. Like I have designed everything to Python. So I'm saying I don't know single line in Python. Okay, first of all, maybe most of you think I have been expertise in Python. I don't know. With the help of ChatGPT, Cursor, and Anthropic, I have been used different and I have been designed this. Okay, running. So for this, my file is I want to run. I have been designed in two ways. One is Azure and one is OpenAI. So I want to run. One, two, it is opening in the backend. So now you can see this is my customized tool. If you go for ChatGPT, do you have the capability of designing in such a way? Tell me that.
See, if it is a chat GPT, then every time we have to give the
Yes,
input as
yes,
copy paste.
that's
Every
the
time we have
same.
to.
Yeah, even see, there are some challenges. We are not considering that. If it is a short story, okay, you may keep that and say for 10 lines or something, you can keep it in the user story and acceptance criteria. And what about your files is like maybe it depends like 10 MB or 20 MB stories will be there, like club will be there. You have to attach, right? You have to attach at the same
Oh,
time. Sorry.
no. I'm listening to you.
Okay. Sometimes there is a description mode part and also acceptance criteria will be more. So on top of that, we are extracting and I'm generating the test cases. Here I'm using the model GPT 4.1 mini because I have been purchased that which is very good. I have been looked for searching what are the capabilities, the reasoning, the way of thinking and giving the response and the token limit also very less. Consider that it's generating up tokens of 1,000 tokens, it may take like $0.01. So we need to think about that one as well. And coming to temperature, if I'm generating how much variation I want, I can control it here. Where in ChatGPT or like some other what is Copilot, you can't control that. Again, how many test cases? I have given max up to 15. I can reduce up to 2 or 3. It's my wish. And test types to generate. I have a list of test types. These are like coverage, exploratory, regression, decision table. What are the things I want to? And again, normal test cases I want or else BDD. Everything I have been designed in the prompting style. So it will understand. Some cases, if I have the OCR image, from there I need to extract the text to understand from here. So it will help as it needs as well. So for my
Okay.
application, it will be useful. And still, when I have been review with my higher leadership members, they said like some cases we may get the duplicate list of cases. For definitely we are going to get when we are increasing number of test types. One after that, what I am updating is like once I have received the files, I will download it. And there are some more cases where I'm going to miss it. I will add it over there. After that, I'm going to make one more small program keeping that cross-checking the duplicate and remove the duplicacy and adding all the files, cross-checking everything is good or not. Total, I'm going to download the main files. This is my concept. Like we are utilizing from past 6 months in my company. So everyone is having one kind of way of to design the tool. Instead, I go and purchase outside in the market that is different. We have been designed. So it will be used for the appraisals. You can showcase the best perform because you have been leveraged and designed. This is also tool, right? Instead of purchasing, you are reducing the cost for the company.
It can be used by different teams actually.
Yes, anyone can use that.
Okay.
Are we
Here,
going to learn how to create our own test case generator?
not this much, like it will take more time. I'm going to help you on like how to create like uploading the user story, description and acceptance criteria with the help of Azure OpenAI and we can generate the test cases. That much part we can design that. So once you have to understand top of that, you can design what are the parameters it is required for you guys.
But can we give in the prompt that I want the temperature and all these the
Yes,
settings that you have decided?
yes, that's
But
what I said. prompting is the main functionality you guys need to learn. Without prompting, whatever the thoughts you are having in your mind, so that is going to be the in the reality. The vision, you should have some vision. So that as per that, if you ask something, it will understand how much you are going to be clear and concise. On top of that, you are going to get the results.
But Jay, sir, Miss, we know that we want temperature, we want the model, these types of model, but this is kind of a application. So, what are other things are needed to design the application? Miss, it's a prompting, but still we need some support, right?
Support in the sense code. You need the code
Yeah,
where you need
yeah.
to write in the Python. For that, see what is it completely as the AI is taking care of. So you don't need to know exactly how we are going to build what is the like ABC also not required in the coding. Just it will teach you in the ChatGPT. Today I will show you that how we can run the code, what exactly we need. It will give the step by step. So how we are going to prompt it, what steps it will give, on top of that, how we are generating the test case generator. Okay. For that, first we need to design the Azure OpenAPI. Without that, we are not going to see how it is going to generate. If you want to run the test cases also, we are not sure. Is it running fine or wrong? How we are going to debug also. Okay.
Um,
Come. Yeah.
so Jayant, this application is local to our company. That's it. Like,
Yes,
we
it's
are not
a
going to,
completely local.
yeah, that is what, like, we are not going to, host this website on any cloud or on premise, nothing, right? It
No,
runs
no
in our
way.
local.
No way. It is completely in the local. If you want to host it, you need to check with your company senior members and you need to get a permission. And in the server, you can host it and it can be leveraged with your total company members only. Okay, not for anyone. Outside of the company members, you are not going to share it. Only for the company purpose.
Yeah, only the purpose is to be used by the company members only, right? So
Yes,
whoever needs it, whoever wants to write the test cases, they can run this
yes,
application in their local and they can use it. That's it, right?
definitely. The same way how I have been run the code, in the same way they need to run it and they can generate the test cases.
Okay. Are you going to teach us how to
Yes,
build
yes,
this?
that's what I am going to show you. But
Okay,
exactly not
okay,
this one. It may took like 1 month for me to generate a lot of modifications with my the team members. So I'm just going to share. If you want, I can share you guys this one complete. This one I
no,
can.
please guide us, okay? At least,
Sure, sure.
give us
I'm
some
going to
guidance.
teach
We
you.
will try.
Yeah. That's what I'm saying from the first onwards. Like you have to understand prompt engineering. So many members may think like prompting is nothing, but the prompting is plays a major role. If you want anything, the prompt. If you keep the prompt proper, it will give you like the golden set of things for you. Even you can
Oh,
create the agents with the help of prompt. To be honest, the prompting is the matter.
okay,
Okay.
yeah.
So let's get into first creating the Azure OpenAPI. So first let me showcase the PPT which has been created. Later, if anyone wants to try from their own by purchasing the account, you are free. I can guide you guys. Okay. Or if you want to run from your side step by step, I'm okay. So which one you want to choose?
What's that? Come again, Jain?
Yeah, what I'm saying is like the first thing we need to create an Azure OpenAI key generation. Okay, first we need to create. For that, what we are required is we need to create an account, Microsoft Outlook account. Okay, we need to generate one account. So I'm going go through all the steps here. These many steps are there, like nearly 28 steps are there. So would you like to follow with me, or else you want just go first overview what is going on?
Azure account, right, Jen? We need to have.
Yeah, Azure Foundry from this one. Yeah.
Yeah. First overview, then we'll see where we have questions.
Please go
Okay.
step by step only. I mean,
Okay.
for the
Let
benefit of
me go.
everyone. We
I
want to
think
learn.
overview will be better so that we can do it at our own space and then
So
we'll
if
save
you
some time.
what yeah, what I'm suggesting is you can go and open the account and tell me something if you're getting any challenges. Like first you're opening your account, or if someone has shared the screen so that I can help you.
I can share the screen.
Okay.
Just give me 1 minute.
Okay.
Can you share the links on the chat so that we can be able to follow the step by step? I don't know.
Yeah.
The links, just
Let me, yeah,
just the links.
Mega, are you sharing?
Yes. Just a sec. I was closing my old
Okay,
tabs.
okay, no
That's why.
issues. Yeah, take your time. If one
Yeah.
person has been really worked, it will be easy for rest of the members.
Yes. And now I created a blank page. So shall I go to Microsoft account?
Yeah, still it was not visible for us. Yeah, it is open. Yeah, just open
Yeah.
that signup.live.com.
If
Guys
you
who
already
want
have,
to try, you can try simultaneously. It will help you.
I think there is a link in the chat. I think. Okay, who is
Yes,
this?
yes,
Mega.
I have shared.
Mega, I think there is a
Okay.
link in the chat. You can directly use that link.
Yeah. Thank you.
It's nice that you share the links on the chat so that we just click on it and then
Yeah,
okay,
that's it. Yeah.
perfect.
if I do have already a Microsoft account and I go to Azure, from there also I can start, right?
Yes, you can start it. But one thing, it is like personal account or office account.
It's a personal one.
Oh, personal is no worries. Ma'am, you have to start with like outlook.com. There will be a problem. If you are going with Gmail, it will be a problem.
Okay.
So when you're trying, you can give the email ID at outlook.com. So it will showcase as like Microsoft account. Otherwise, if you go further with the Gmail, it may got error in the middle saying that we are not going to allow.
Can you use Yahoo Mail or no?
Sorry.
Can you use it at Yahoo Mail or only Outlook?
Outlook only because it's a Microsoft account, right? You want to go use the Azure Foundry. It only access Microsoft account. That's why I'm saying you need to create the new accounts. Keep the country as India.
Country as India.
Yeah.
Okay.
Just go slow
It's
down because I
Sweden.
want to confirm with the other members as well as they're following the same, or else we need to slow down. If you are from India, keep it India. If you are out of the location, keep it there.
You better keep India only.
Okay. Till now, everyone has been reached this one of creating the account. You keep
Yes.
continuing. Yeah. Set up in your passkey. This is the important. Whether try to go with the PIN number. Okay. Continue.
Social.
Jayant, it's even I'm doing it simultaneously. It's asking for iPhone, iPad, or Android device and security key. Two options I
Yeah.
see here.
There is like you guys have the PIN. Just go with the PIN.
So if I enter my PIN, it will be visible, right?
Take it any number, like whatever the number you remember, that PIN. It is opening to passkey. 4 numbers.
Just give it so many times.
Maybe your Windows login, that PIN you have to give.
Windows login.
Your
Your system
laptop
login
pin?
has a password as PIN.
No,
So
sorry.
this we need to
So,
set up, right? This pin we need to set up, right? Enter
Yeah,
your
we
pin.
need to set up PIN.
The
but
pin is important.
I'm setting up the pin, so
You are keeping 3 numbers or 4 numbers.
4 numbers.
Okay. We need to set up
Just
the
can you
PIN.
try
Try make
your
it
laptop
6.
pin?
Make it 6 numbers. Let's see.
We can take 6.
You have entered
You
invalid.
can keep, I forgot my PIN and you can reset that. Or else you can, you can change it to the device because that is better. Otherwise, you have to open the Microsoft, your phone, and you have to authenticate it from your mobile.
So shall I make it? I forgot my pin.
Yes, yes, you can try it. We will see. Because when I'm doing that, it is not coming. Or else go to the second one. This will be used to see every Windows device change. Keep security key. Third one.
For
Okay.
this, I think you need should
No,
have
no,
the
actually, that
Yeah.
is USB port it asking, that is different one.
Yes.
Change it.
I think Windows
Second,
device
go with the second one. Second.
First one is
It
RSA
will help you. It will work. Turn on Bluetooth. Did you click the turn on Bluetooth?
Okay, it automatically click. Okay.
Yeah, it will take it. No. From your mobile, you have to scan it.
No.
It's not
I
that,
think,
it's not that easy.
yeah.
There's something issue with your system. Like, is it like admin pass? You are the admin for the laptop or is someone else? It's like.
It's my company's laptop, my office
That's the
laptop.
Okay,
problem.
company
That's why.
No, please use personal.
That's why.
Company, it won't allow. That's the reason it is showcasing these images.
Yeah. So
Okay. Is anyone
I
using
think
personal
someone
laptops?
take it. I'll stop sharing.
Yeah.
Yeah, I
I'm
think
also
I've
using.
Can I share?
Yes, anyone can, please.
Just a minute. Yes, share screen. Share. Yeah, Jen, can you see my screen?
Not it. Yes, now I can see your screen. So did we logged in with the account? Could you please show me the account that is AK is there, right? On the
Yes.
right side.
Oh. Cancel.
Yeah, okay. Yeah, it's fine. So first thing is like we need to create an Outlook account. Once it is created, we need to go for this URL. Let me share that URL.
say I was able to sign in with my Gmail.
Okay.
I don't know if that's
No, don't sign in with your Gmail. You need to have the domain as Outlook.
with my Gmail. I'm able to see what you have right now. I have the same layout.
Yeah, even I signed in with the Gmail. If you can see the screenshot here, I send it. I could see this even if with my Gmail.
We can create, but the problem is like when we are creating the Azure OpenAI keys, At that time, you may get the scope of like it is not able to create the accounts, subscriptions for that account. You can try. When we have tried, we didn't get it. It's not a problem.
Okay.
It's like kind of learning. Guys, I have shared one thing. HTTPS portal.edu.com. Can you open that one?
Okay, portal.azure.com.
Yeah. Did you open Alcha at portal.com?
Yes, you can see my
Uh,
screen. I'm
no,
sharing.
it was stuck at Microsoft login only. Maybe you're sharing only one window. Instead, you can share entire screen.
Now can you see?
It's loading.
Can you see my screen now?
It's loading, yes. With Azure logo with Microsoft, it's loading icon.
Yes.
Did anyone open this portal at azure.com?
Yeah, I did in my previous project.
Is it still loading?
Still loading. I don't know why it's taking so time.
It got stopped or it got hanged?
No, it's giving some error.
Oh. Is it your
It's,
personal or office laptop?
this is my actually office laptop.
Okay, guys, please try to use only personal laptops, no office, because there are some restrictions where we can't do some of the things. Creating with our personal things, it may stop. It may go for escalation as well, like if you are using something to open.
Okay, but I am actually out of the VPN, so
Even though there will be like the tools will be tracking over what you are doing, what websites you are looking into, everything will be tracked. So my suggestion, please don't use the office laptops.
okay, maybe from here onwards, anyone else can share the screen.
Yeah, anyone using
Dilip,
with the
if you
personal
can.
laptops?
Yeah, I'm using mine.
Yeah,
I am also using a
I'm
company
using
laptop
mine
only.
also.
okay.
Let me try actually.
I've already created the account already.
Can I share mine? But I have signed it with Gmail.
Yeah, no worries. We can try it. We will see how it will
Yeah,
work.
sure.
It will be
But it
tried
should
with
be
my
with
side.
Outlook, right? It should be with Outlook.
Assign my own with Outlook already.
Oh, you can share in that case.
Anita, did you succeed to open the Azure portal with the Gmail?
Yeah, I could open with Gmail, but I don't know further whether I'll be able to create something in that without Outlook.
In the Azure
did.
portal?
Let me go to Azure portal and see if I can. Okay, I already opened.
Because I have Azure portal with another email, but I have the Microsoft account with Gmail.
Yeah, same here.
So this is
Okay,
the
already.
Yeah,
Yeah.
this is the account you have been opened,
I-
Microsoft account with the Gmail.
yeah, and this is the portal with a different email.
Oh, that's
With
not
the-
Outlook though.
I've
This is
opened
not this is
with,
not Outlook.
I've opened the Azure with Outlook already.
Yeah, we can try, no worries. We'll see how it will go. Okay. So, till now on the right side, hover on your user icon profile. On the icon. Yeah. So Microsoft account with that you have been open. Okay, fine. So directory domain and you have been there. So first of all, till now we have been created, but there are no directories and no subscriptions. First, we need to create one subscription. Then only we can go further. For that, I'm just sharing one more link. Go to that. First thing is we need to add the subscription. Then only it will get activated. Just open this URL I have shared in the chat. Now you are in the same page. Just click on pay as you go.
Pay as you go. Okay.
Should I use my Gmail or I should use the same?
Go with the Microsoft. We will try that one. Okay, where you need to provide your data.
Sorry.
You need to enter the data and click on next.
Do I need to add email?
Yes, yes.
Do you think I already opened once long back for Azure? So is it still allowed or do I need to give another?
You have to activate and check this once.
This is for personal use, right? Profile
Email
information.
is not required. Not required that one. But
Okay.
it is only for notification purpose. If you want to keep on, it's fine.
Now, my
Yeah. It is just verifying the things.
So there is an option called for personal use. We don't have to click on that.
Those are not required. Just we are just going with the default one. In the meanwhile, could you please go back to the Microsoft Azure home portal, the third
so
one?
can I click on next?
Third tab. No, third tab. Yeah. Yeah. In that, click on create a resource and look for subscription. Search for subscription. Yeah, first one.
When to give my credit card, it's asking me.
Yes, you have to. It will take only pay as you go, right? It will take that much.
No, I
So
select the first option, not pay
do we
as
click?
you go.
Do we click to next?
This is not a subscription. Okay, that's fine. One, I'm looking for subscription part, whether it is coming or not.
Oh, you can see it.
No, it was not there. Okay. We have to check for sub. If there is some default subscription, you are able to see that. If not, it won't be.
Okay. Is anyone seeing subscription, or maybe I should try a different account? Maybe I cannot get any subscription with this email. Is anyone able to get a subscription?
No,
I'm searching.
I'm
I
actually
don't
getting
know.
some error.
Which subscription we need to take, Jay? In Azure?
Pay as you go.
That's a model of payment, right? I mean,
Do
for
one
which
thing.
service?
If you are not able to see, click on the user icon. Switch directory. Click on switch directory. See, here you have a default subscription was there. Click on that.
This one?
Yeah. Task. Yeah, something. That is the default subscription we are having there. Okay. So these like task directories plus subscriptions appearance, it will showcase by default what you are having. So you are having one default subscription. Okay, it's not a problem. It's good to go. It's supposed to be like default directory or something. It has been created. And now what we need to, the next thing is like, we need to create, the next one is like, let me see.
Yeah, I'm on a spot where it's asking me to put my card, my credit card information.
Yeah, it will ask. We have to pay for it. Like we are showcasing that we are loyal customers. We are going to utilize the services. It will completely depends that how much you are going to use it. On the top of that, it will be taking debiting the amount per monthly basis, as it's a pay as you go.
Okay. Let me key my card information. Let's see.
Actually, I chosen the first one, like free subscription instead of pay as you go. Do I need to select pay as you go?
Yeah, even if you have choose the free as you go, later it will ask for when you are going to taking this GPT or something, these tokens, it will ask for to pay the amount. It will switch completely.
That's okay, right?
Yeah, it's okay. It's no issue.
And I'm choosing my Gmail account. Will that be fine?
Not sure about the Gmail. It won't take. When we have been trying, it has been finally in the end, it has been closed, saying that you should go for Microsoft accounts, like Outlook accounts. It will suffice.
Yeah.
So just a quick question here, like the directory name you have here, like task techno, is this when you get only when you sign up in the Azure?
Yeah, you could, once you create one for yourself, you can put any name for your directory name.
Yeah, sometimes it will be created by default, sometimes it won't be, it will be looking blank. So we got the directory by default. So on top of in the search, go for the subscription. Can you click on subscription?
Like
On
direct
the, this one?
Search, no, on the top bar, Microsoft Azure on the right side middle.
This one?
Yes, click on subscription. You should see some key. SUB, subscription, SCRN. Yeah, the first one. Go the first one. Yeah, subscriptions. Okay, it was there. Right now, we are supposed to see one subscription which should be active. It was not there for us. If it is active, because once we have been taking the paid thing, it will be activated. If not, it won't be.
Okay.
Do one thing, like we can do, click on plus add. Hmm. What my suggestion is, let's select offer, pay as you go. Even it says try Azure for free, I don't think it will help you that.
So, James, there are so many services, right, that are provided by Microsoft.
Yes.
For which service we have to take the subscription? Say, suppose
No. The
Kubernetes.
subscription is like showcasing you are accessing the services of Azure. That is only with OpenAI key we are taking, only for the OpenAI key.
Okay, okay.
You can go next.
It should be this one before. Where is it?
I think I think these are all not required. I think
Sorry.
address and all is everything is required.
Yeah, they are asking. Previously, when we have created, it was not that much as necessary. We have given just
Okay.
normal lines. Even it was not star as well. Creating this accounts is a bit tricky. It's just like a one layer from one part to other part. You have to move on, and other somewhere else. Finally, we are going to get it. You can stop your screen for a moment, and you can complete this. Okay.
Okay.
So once the subscription is over, then yeah, someone is saying.
Oh, I logged in with my Hotmail Microsoft account
Okay.
and I tried to log in Azure portal. In the subscriptions, there is nothing is there.
Mm. So have you gone for the directories? In the directory, have you seen any default thing?
Directly, I don't understand what you are saying.
So Jane, do you have that PPT there?
Yes,
All
yes,
these
PPT
steps
is
are
there.
mentioned, right?
You can try it. So if I have been showcased here, it will be easy for you guys. I am going to share that PPT as well.
That has all the steps, right?
Yes, every steps are there included.
But anyways, this is a good experience. Everybody's trying, right? We are getting into a
Yes,
lot of
yes,
issues. That's actually good, actually.
For me, it's saying that you have already account, Azure account.
yes. Azure account is like a normal account, but inside there are a number of layers. Azure Foundry will be there. Azure OpenAI services will be there. Azure DevOps will be there. So they're having Microsoft is a bunch of umbrella. We have a number of products. For that, we are specifically we are going with Azure OpenAI key. For that, we need to go for access.
Got it. But when I try to register, it's saying that looks like you have an Azure account already. Sign up as pay as you go subscription or use an existing subscription into your account. So
Yeah,
what should
that
I
is
click here?
you have the account, then you can go with pay as you go.
It's saying that you previously signed up for Azure free account. Still, you have free services available to use. Continue using these services by upgrading your account or pay only for what you use above the free account.
Yeah, that is like pay as you go.
So, do I need to click on upgrade your account? Can I share
Upgrade
my
is
screen?
you should see in the 1 minute time. So you have to select here no technical support because if you choose anything, it will be cost more than 35, 40, 120. Those are cost. We don't need that. Only technical support. That is fine. Sign up. Protect your account. Next.
Okay, so okay, no technical support. Okay, sign up. Okay.
Yeah. It will confirm you that the payment, everything has been received. It will do the confirmation. Okay.
Okay. I'm on the same spot with him.
Mm. Yeah, on the top, you can go and search for subscription. One more time. It was already in the feed, the first one.
Subscription, yeah. I got the
Yes.
first one also.
Yeah. Click on add. Yes. Now you see you got a subscription, right?
Yeah.
Yep.
Just don't do
Mhm.
anything. Just keep it. Review plus create.
Should I
Because what
change the name or just leave it like subscription one?
better I feel you can rename it, but it's up to you.
Okay. So I review and create.
Yes, it will take a couple of minutes that time it will look into that. Scroll down a little bit. Then create. It will take time. Don't click anything. After subscription is done, it will showcase in the layers that subscription has been completed. It will showcase in the here we are having an empty, right? It will showcase
Yeah.
a subscription one. Is it
Okay.
done?
Yeah. Mine is done.
Yeah. Just refresh it. Try to. Yeah, perfect. You are on the correct track. Now you got Azure subscription, right? Till now, first thing is we have to create subscription directory. In the directory, from directory, you are going to create a subscription. The next part is like we need to create a resource. Okay. Uh, just go to home, click on resource, create
Create
a
resource,
resource. Yes, create a resource
Yeah.
and select for Azure OpenAI.
Azure Open AI. Where is this one?
The first one which is popping out, select that one in the drop down.
This one.
Let me check. There is a
No, sorry.
simple.
That is not Azure, that is Eraser.
Azure Open. Azure.
OpenAI, the first one, which is a drop down. No, don't type it. The drop down. Yeah. The second one. This is the logo. We need to find it out. The logo with the blue and star is that is our Azure OpenAI. Okay, click on that. Just click on. Okay. Let me say. Click on create. Because
Create.
we are assigning the subscription. What exactly we are saying is that the subscription which has been taken, pay as you go. That I'm saying I have already paid. You can take my subscription which I have been paid. Now the resource group, create a new resource group. The name is as you wish. You can keep. It has to be a meaningful. Like if you are working on any opening keys or something, you can keep that.
So what name do we put?
It's up to you. Like if you are working any on We can keep chat AI chatbot, AI testing, anything. Yeah, fine. AI testing is fine. And the main thing, the below is like in the have you added? No, no, no. You have to click create. No, create.
So AI chatbot. Mhm.
Yeah. AI testing. You can keep whatever you want. It is for our reference. AI testing. Okay.
AI
Great.
testing.
Yeah. Now everyone has to listen carefully. In the instance details. Okay. In the instance details, it has to be those are the servers, which are the services are coming from East US. And you should not change, because sometimes if you change East US to something, if there are no service, you are not going to get the opening keys. It won't work properly. So don't change that one region. That is the one. And the name, you can keep QA testing hyphen open AI. Both
Under
name.
the price name, okay.
I will
QA
tell you.
testing.
QA testing.
QA testing hyphen open AI. This is also named as you wish, but understanding purpose I'm saying. Okay. And pricing tier, go with the standard 0 drop down. Yeah. Click select that one. Okay. Now scroll down, click on next. Perfect. Next. No need to do anything. Don't do anything. Just next. Just click on next. Wait for a moment. It will take some time to review your request. Once it is done, it will enable the create button. Yes, your request has been created. Now click on create.
So just next, eh?
Yeah, it will create the account for you. Now you are able to see the Azure OpenAI keys once it has been created. Yeah, once it is submitting deployment is there, you will get RS or you will be redirected to new page. Just wait, don't do anything, just wait for a moment. Yeah, okay. Now perfect. Everything has been done. Click on the deployment details, drop down. Open that. Okay. Now you are able to see the resources has been created for you, right?
Deployment. Okay, deployment details.
What is this deployment, Jane?
This
What is
is the
actually
one
deploying?
which we have been created for OpenAI keys. So it has been allocated some of the we are deploying our OpenAI key to run utilizing the models like ChatGPT or some like a different 3.4 models or Llama models. Different models will be there. For that, we are deploying it with the users of purchasing that. Okay. Now click on
Yeah.
go to resource.
Go to resource.
Yes,
Okay.
we have successfully deployed our OpenAI keys.
Where we have deployed, Jane? We have
It will be
deployed.
taken care. It will be taken care by backend. Everything will that is what I'm saying is simply we have taken the subscription, right? With the subscription, we have selected Azure OpenAI and it has been deployed into our local and saying that they are having n number of API keys. They have been given some of the keys as a deployment. So you don't need to think about deployment and anything. They will deploy something and finally we are going to get the API keys.
Okay, we don't need to break our net.
No need to think about the deployment or anything. Just we need to see where the open keys are there. Okay. Click on endpoints.
Endpoints.
Yes. Uh, endpoints. Click here to view endpoints and top. In Essentials tab, you have in the down little bit down. You are having Essentials, Resource Group, Status, Endpoints, right? Click on, click here to view endpoints.
Click to
Yeah,
view
so
endpoints.
don't show it here. Okay, as you have been paid the price. So these are the API keys, guys. We got, okay.
Okay.
You get two keys.
Sorry.
You get two keys, right? Key one, key two.
Yes. If someone has been showed the keys, you can regenerate. So we have the option of regenerate and regenerate 1 and 2. So you can regenerate it. And the main thing in the Azure portal is the difference I have already told, right? In OpenAI, we have only one API key which starts with SK. Remember that. If it is OpenAI key, it starts with SK. If it is Azure OpenAI key, it will start with normal number. That's in a sequence. And it is having endpoint. If you are going to deploy your model, you must and should keep endpoint and API key. Either you can use key one or key two. Anything will also work. No issue with that. Clear till now?
Yeah, I'm ready. Yes, I'm on the same page. Yeah.
Yeah. That means till now you have been cleared those. You can copy this key one and endpoint from your point. No issues. Okay. Now,
Yeah.
okay, you can leave it, not a problem. Just I'm showcasing. Anyone has to design from there, you can down it. And the next one is we need to go for Azure Foundry portal. Let me share the link. So till now we have been created, right? We have created OpenAI keys, right? And the endpoint that is done. Now, if you want to run the LLMs has to run on the models. So we need to select the models and the embeddings. Okay, we need to go through it. Just bear with me 5 minutes. I'm going to completely showcase that you will get an idea. Otherwise, it will be like half-baked information. Okay, let me share
Okay.
that link where you are should go for Azure Foundry. So it will be most tricky, man. Until unless you will work on 2 to 3 times, you won't understand.
All these links are there in the PDF, right? You're
Yes,
sharing?
everything is
Okay.
there now. Yeah. Just try this one.
Okay. The
I
link is
have pasted the
on the
chat.
chat.
Yeah.
Yeah. He's asking us to open with Microsoft Outlook,
Yes.
right? Yeah.
Yes.
Okay.
Same with that only.
Select user account does not exist in tenant default dictionary and cannot access the application. Oh, what do we do
Okay.
here? Mhm.
So maybe because it is not asking for Outlook, right? That's the problem that said like initially if we have been chosen like what I have to say Gmail or anything you can create it, but the thing is like if you are mapping and going with a model selection it has to be only Outlook,
Yeah,
otherwise it
I'm using Outlook and it's having the
it's
same.
Microsoft, maybe it is not accepting because it's a different extension, like it is accepting only Outlook. So till now, it won't be problem for you because even though you have been paid for the subscription, you are not utilizing that. It is not going to cash you anything.
So
I'm
it
using
requires
I'm
only
using
he is using Outlook. I'm using
I'm
a
using
Microsoft account.
I'm using Outlook, so it having the same error came out also for me.
Outlook.
Selected user account does not exist in tenant dictionary default
Okay.
directory. Yeah,
Just
cannot access the application. So
uh,
in that tenant, the account needs to be added as an external user in the tenant phase. Please use a different account.
just remember. Can you try this link? Opening the Azure Foundry. Just try that one.
Okay, let me try this link. Okay, yeah, I'm good.
Okay. Maybe the previous link, it may relates to something else, I guess. Okay. Happy to see nothing is there. Now,
So my link is different from his own. I have resources name here. I have my QA testing, open AI. I have everything. But for him, he's having an error there for 404. Yeah, so mine is good. You need a Outlook
the page
account.
is not there. Do you have shared resources on the left side?
I have
Click on overview. Do you have any option of overview? Total.
I have everything. I have my QA testing, open AI. I have create an agent. I have everything here.
Have you logged in with your account? Just check.
Yep, it's the same account I use
Microsoft.com.
to.
Okay. On the left-hand side, we are supposed to once we have been going to Foundry portal, we are supposed to see our endpoints because we have been open the Azure OpenAI. Just give me a minute. I will do one thing. Go back to the page. The not this one. The third tab or something. Okay, you went for the keys, right?
Mm-hmm.
Before endpoints, click on back. Okay, so from here, click on go to Foundry portal. On the top, you are having search beside you are having go to Foundry portal. Delete is there, right? Delete the beside one. Go to Foundry portal. Link is there. Want to, yeah, that's right. Click on that. It should open with the tab. Yes, exactly. Yeah. Now we are on the same page. Perfect, man. Okay, so now you are able to see your endpoints, right? The API key, the Azure OpenAI services. This is till now the perfect thing. Now, what we have to see, we have to select. Previously, there is a deployment. Someone has been asked, Dilip, I think, right? Dilip, you talked about deployments.
Yes, James.
Yeah, now the deployments will come into the picture. What the deployments has been there for our subscription, what the things are there. On the left side, look for deployments, shared resources, down, go a little bit down. Yeah, click on deployments. Yeah, perfect. Now click on deployment model. Now this is the LLM model which you are going to select. Deploy model, yeah. Click that. So always select for one.
Which one? This one?
Deploy base
Base.
model. Yeah, base model. Now you are able to see the n number of models. Okay. Just remember that whatever the models which are locked, you don't have the access. Rest of the models you are having access. And depending upon your chat GPT, depending upon your test case generator, how you are going to leverage the capabilities of this LLM model, it's up to you. So I'm not restricting, choose anything. What I prefer is like if you want to take a less number of amount, go with GPT-4.1 mini. Search for
For 1
GPT.
minute.
Yeah, it will take less cost, like 0.01 per token, like 1,001 million tokens that cost 0.41 mini. Yeah, click that one. Yeah, go that and click on scroll down a little bit. Go down both till end and click on confirm. Now remember something. Okay, go to deployment type.
I'm only getting 5.4 mini.
Sorry.
I don't have.
No,
I
drop down.
don't have the 4.1. I have a 5.4 mini.
I think he's asking you to click on the drop down. Deployment type drop down.
Deployment type drop down.
Okay,
Global
okay.
standard is there, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, you can pick standard. Or else you can go for global standard only. I will let you know where we can change. Global standard and collapse that one. Deployment type.
This one?
It should not be 0. Yeah. Customer. Click on customize. The capacity is 0 tokens per minute, right? It should not be 0. We need to increase. Check whether is there capability to increase the number tokens rate limit.
It's not working.
Model version upgrade policy or anything. No, it is not changing. Then go with the global standard to some other deployment type, change to some other.
Standard.
Yeah, click on it.
Okay.
Yeah, it's
Token limits.
okay, it's fine. You can collapse that total. I want to see the count, how many tokens it will take for. Yeah, 100 tokens that it will. Click on deploy.
100 tokens per minute. Okay. One token is one word, JM. One
Yeah,
token is
one
equal to one
token is
100K
one word.
tokens,
Initially, we
right?
have discussed like how the LLM will work. Initially, we have been discussed. Consider it as most of the people as theory. Now it will come into the picture. Each one word, one token. In a sentence, if I say Azure OpenAI, Azure is one token, OpenAI is one token.
Open is one token, AI is one token, right?
It won't be
If they
separated.
combine.
Azure, OpenAI. Azure is one token, OpenAI is one token. Okay. Now we guys has been created till now. We have deployed GPT 4.1 mini LLM, which is a model for our ChatGPT generator. Which model, if you are going to run the test case generator, which model we are using? LLM ChatGPT 4.1. In further, if someone asks you to change the model, you have the capabilities. You can change it. So how it is looking like? A little bit. Okay. There are the four important things. A little bit scroll down a little bit. Yeah. Yeah, that's fine. We are having API version and Azure endpoint and API key. So directly they are not displaying here, but it will be displayed. I will later when we are running, I will showcase. Okay. Now we have been designed the tokens. Now the other one is we need to design the embeddings. Okay, I think we are getting late. Tomorrow I will showcase how to generate the embeddings as well here, and then we can move forward and creating the test case generator, how to design that. You guys should try till here. If you got any issues, just let me know.
Can I share my screen a bit? I'm somewhere.
Sorry?
Yeah, I said, can I share my screen a bit? Because I'm here keep building with Microsoft Foundry. That's where
That is no issues because API key is the main important. Even if it is displaying, nothing to worry.
the one. Let me just share my screen a bit so that you can see some. You can see where am I now. Then maybe you can advise what to do. I don't know. I don't know if I'm on the right spot here.
Yeah. Okay, then. Any doubts, guys, or else we can wind up the call. Lot of stuff you have been taken today.
Lot of stuff.
Let me. Okay, let me just share my screen 1 minute and then you can advise me where am I now. Let me see here. See.
So this is a resource that we have been created. QA testing OpenAI.
Can you see my screen?
Yes, we can see your screen.
Yes, I'm here now on this Microsoft Foundry. When I click on the second link that you gave on the chat.
Okay, it's nothing to worry. The previous one is I didn't find it Foundry. That's why I gave you that link. Directly when we have the endpoints from the top, I said there is a way to go for OpenAI from Foundry A. We can click that one. This is not required.
Is this one not required? So I should go back to this one here.
You click on home, QA testing OPI, the next one, next tab.
This one.
That also fine. The fourth tab. Fourth tab. On top of it, QA testing OpenAI.
QA testing.
No. Right now you're in the third tab. Click on the fourth tab. No, not this one. I'm
Your
talking on the main tabs.
Azure tabs.
Talking about the other screen, QA testing OpenAI screen.
Oh,
Next
okay.
window.
Go up. Yep. Up.
Go back.
Yep.
I am
This
talking
one.
fourth tab.
The fourth one.
QA testing OpenAI one. The next
Yes.
one. The next one.
On the left.
No. The next one. The Azure OpenAI. The Azure QA. Next one on the left.
beside one, left side.
On the left, before settings. Before settings, go back to settings.
This one.
Next
QA
one.
testing. No, QA
The
test.
next one.
Next one.
The next one.
Yeah, click on that.
Maybe you
Okay.
have the shared
Yeah.
the shared screen thing disturbing
This
you.
one. Yeah.
This is the one I'm talking about. From there, you can go for keys. Like you can see how much pricing it will be there. If you make a little bit, scroll down a little bit up and down, you can see.
Show a keys.
Yeah, no need to show the keys.
No share keys.
Okay.
Don't show the keys. I'm saying that just click on open a create overview. On top of that, you will get an links. Home beside something is there, right? You are having open.
Yeah.
Click on it. Just click.
I think you have to click on the left hand side.
Overview or
Yeah.
Overview.
Yes.
Click on it. Okay. Click on go to resource.
Go to resource.
So this is our main page. Consider that. If you want to go to Foundry, on top you are having go to Foundry portal, right?
Next to
Here,
delete.
the endpoints
Next to
you are
delete.
going
Come down.
Come down.
Next up. Next to delete.
Yeah. You go to Foundry portal.
That is go to Foundry portal. From there, you are going to do like deploying your models. This is your API key, all these models. On the left side, you are having that. On the left side, you have a scroll down. Go for deployments.
Deployments. Yeah.
Exactly. Now, in that you have been deployed. If you have been saved that, it is going to display. Click on deploy model.
Deploy.
Deploy model. Click on
In
plus.
blue.
Yeah.
Deploy base model.
Base model.
Base model.
Select for GPT 4.1 mini.
GPT 4.1 is giving me only GPT is giving me only higher.
Down. Keep going down. Keep going down.
Hold
Keep
down.
going down. Keep going down.
Keep going down. The GPT 4.1.
That's it. That's nano. Go up a little bit.
That is
Go
nano.
Stop. That's mini. Or you can search it at the top.
Search for
GPT.
Just put mini.
Hyphen 4.1.
4.1.
Space, hyphen. No. It's not a space, hyphen.
Dash.
4.1. Yeah,
That's
4.1
it.
mini.
Select it.
Okay.
Confirm.
Confirm.
Now change the global standard to standard.
Just
come down to standard.
Standard.
Then scroll down. Click on deploy.
Deploy.
Yeah, we are done with that.
Okay. Thank you so much. Yeah.
Tomorrow we will see the embeddings and we will start designing test case generator. Okay.
Okay. Perfect.
Okay, guys. Thank you. Thank you for your time.
Thank you.
Okay.
Jen,
Thank you so much.
Yeah.
tomorrow is no holiday, right?
No holiday. I'm taking a class. I'm going to complete this test case generator tomorrow.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you.
We share the PDF document so we go through it, and if any doubts,
I will
we
share
can
it in
discuss.
the folder. This Google folder. I will share that one. Okay.
Google
Okay.
Drive.
Nice. Okay. Thank you.